In this video, I am going to show you how to make a Discord account in 2025. So if you go to discord.com in any preferred browser that you want, that should take you right here. You can either go and open Discord or download Discord first of all in your PC if you want to do so in there, or you can simply just open Discord on your browser. You'll be able to do so as well. So at the moment, I am logged in into an account. So let me just go and log out from this account. So click on logout to create an account. So add an account. And here's an example, I don't have an account. So to create an account or to make a Discord account, you'll have to go here. At the bottom, you'll find the register button. Just go and click on that. Once you do so, you'll have to start filling up your informations. As an example, starting by the email, you'll have to enter the email, then the display name. For me, as example, let's say it's this one, username as well. So I'm just going to type something like that. It's already in available and available. So let me just go and add that. Also unavailable. Let me just add another X. Okay, just going to add like 222. Is this good? Yeah, it's good. Password, you'll have to also add a password and of course the date of birth for you. So for me, I'm just going to add here some stuff like this and make sure to check this option, but it's just optional. It's not necessary, as you can see, which they will let you or you accept that they send you, of course, some emails, updates and stuff, tips, offers and stuff. If you want to, just go and click on continue. And as you can see, you'll have to go through a step of are you a human or not. So please drag the element on the right shape. So as example, this one should be here, this one should be here, and click on verify. And as you can see, so I'll just wait a little bit and my account should be created without any problem. And as you can see, to verify your email, you'll have to go to your email provider and make sure to verify that the email is right. So I'm just going to that account, just go here and wait for it. So yeah, I'm just going to click in here, click on Discord example. Okay, not this one. Yeah, this one, verify email. So click on verify email and it should be verified. As you can see, you can continue to Discord. You can open it if you do have it. If you don't, just go and continue. So I'm just going to reload in here. And as you can see, I should not have it anymore. So that's how you create an account in 2025. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.